are the other 3 heat pumps at the mall. Here's this one. It is really loud, it makes a bad noise, and it rattles. Here's one that I hadn't seen run in a couple of years. Spider web stuck to the blade. Need to not clean that off yet. And here's the other one. It's on the 42nd week of 1993. It says listed section of heat pump. Serial number is 4293 E01626. Model 38YCA03300. 2.5 ton right there.
Go!
Just learning to zoom in. Listed section of heat pump. So yeah, all 3 of these have 3 blades. And there are the ones over there that I filmed. So yeah, bye.